everybody's supposed to know all of this when me talk say. Unless I know one member. Me say a girl a breathing now. And the girl must have to go do surgery. Me no remember where the girl go do surgery pan. Right? Khandy, let's be real. No TikTok, me never have to walk around on TikTok and beg till them tired of me. Khandy, the TikToker them used to hide from you. Me see I play with all world dog them. Me see upon 4-way match. You world dog and one fat white famous man. And the people them in a one miggle and one hot match. And me see you lift up your shirt. And I show the people them where you want for the surgery. Till the white man a laugh off of you ask you why you lift up your shirt. You can see the shame and disgrace in a world dog, yeah. Because your world dog supposed to depend team to play the white man. And you could have seen the shame in a world dog, yeah. Nobody could have had you on the live for play one match and you're not beg. Nobody could have had you on the live for play one match and you're not beg. You used to force me to make Perry them play with you. People them used to hide from your car. Them could play a normal match with you. You just a beg so. One day you come for me live with me a rank the night there, you know. The night that me a rank, you know. And you come for me live. And you said to me, say, I never made a recharge to shoot for myself or somebody that will give me one lion. And you say, Ivany, it's time where you take a recharge for yourself and I send yourself lion. I bet you come send me that lion if you go help go do my surgery. And I turn to you and tell you, say, my lion money not pay for your surgery. My lion money are going on my ranking. You see when I done rank and I come when me for come, I will come and send something in your account. That me tell her the night. And she said, alright then, and me and her end up, she go about her business, go play a match, me go about my business, go play a match. Only if you see the comment section, I tell me, say, Khandy over there done me. So Khandy over there talks, say, me rather she dead because what kind of friend maybe because me rather, and I owe me say she ain't like what me say, and she over there cost me for my money. So true, me ain't take my money give you when you're sick, if you go do surgery, it you turn around, trace me about. After she have the baby, couple days after she buy a car. That's why people can't believe her. No? Just like how Kizzy come out and ball off her head and make her friend come on live and tell her she depressed and she want money for got therapy. And the whole internet take the money go give Kizzy. 2 days after Kizzy come back with breast, no body, no teeth. No. Khandy want money for go to surgery and not even 1 day after Khandy buy a car. Not after 1 day you buy cars on top of cars. And from them, the blood clot time they are pre me girl. From Instagram days come down to TikTok days when you never get my money down here. It's easy. And up till today, they me still want to find out, say, oh, it was that easy for you cost me for down here. At them the time they are down here, I don't know if you are down here, they know, but at them the time, they never so close. Una never so close them the time there. Una just a get to come close now with una look a fake internet this and fake internet that. Normally upon the internet, when how much people are friend them tell us, listen, me not get between una, you know, or una go and go start out in itself. It was so easy for you to cuss me for doing that. It was like in a blink of an eye. You come from my life and say, what you cuss my husband for? And me like that I try explain to you and you start disgrace me under the law. And from them the time they had this eyes to me can go back for your video them. And from them the time they had them the video you did a this eyes to me can go back for them. And you go on like a joke you did a make a diss me. But you me never did a fall feet. I start tell you about my mind. And as some me start argue. So when people are gonna talk about Ivany your trouble Khandy, let's get on the facts straight. When you get on the facts straight, Khandy have waffle me blood clot hype or bad man she over. You come in like pussy cuss blood clot keckle. What Khandy do was so amazing. What Khandy do was so amazing. Khandy never fuck her baby father and put out the video for go viral. Khandy never depend on TikTok and push a whole blood clot flat iron down her throat just forget a bus pan the app. What you mean? She not have me a video out there. She not have video out there too. Whether you want to do it with your baby father, your ex, it no matter who you want to do it with, you not have video out there too. You not have video out there with flat iron, curling iron, remote buckle, leaf, all sort of something go down for your one little throat hole. So when you want to come for my pum pum, let's talk about your throat hole. Because everything go up in a for me pussy, but everything go down in a for your throat hole. So I could talk about it. So if me have a pum pum when I good, you have a throat hole when I good. And you can't compete with picnic to picnic. Because my mother always tell me where you teach a picnic where them grow up in a picnic, learn where them see. And according to your household, the only thing people can learn in there after suck hood, goggle this, boom pan this, single, now you're taken. You better be careful when your daughter reach 13, 14. You have to go have her on a padlock. Because you have to remember say, and a boy picnic like me, you have a girl picnic. Remember, on a boy picnic, you have a girl picnic. When your picnic reach 12, 13, 14, you have to go have her on a serious padlock. Because she live where she learn. She live where she learn. I never see her read a book to the picnic yet. I never see her make baba tea for she yet. I never see her say, guys, hold on, I'm going to make breakfast for her yet. I never see her say, guys, hold on, I'm going to change her diaper. Guys, hold on, I'm going to bathe her. Guys, hold on, I'm going to carry her to a doctor. Guys, hold on, I'm going to put her to bed. Guys, hold on, I'm going to spread my bed. Guys, hold on, I'm going to sweep up my house. I don't argue with no girl over no man, no pussy, no. Argue with me house to house, bank account to blood clot bank account. I'm here enough I don't talk about wait till I go back to Jamaica. I feel me, I caught my name and I can transfer our money to Jamaica. If I use a foreign people that thief money we are fear in your account. I not argue with no girl where you cost me boy, me tough calf them and me look like a boy. I in a one foreign world where calf not really matter. A Jamaican people alone cost them own a blood clot race for them own a skin and all them God make them. I can make millions in America off of them tough calf yeah. I don't mind smarty see me and say, listen, I want you muggle for me. You see your calf them? I love them. I want you come muggle for me. Yeah, I don't mind somebody want me come muggle some bad food for them with them tough calf, yeah. I can be a millionaire with them tough calf, yeah, in this state, in the blood clot country of America. Me no need Jamaicans for tell me say me look good. Me no need Jamaicans for tell me say me look good. Make it American them tell me say me calf tough. You will never hear that. I alone worry about me rather have a tough calf than a wormhole for my blood clot foot. Me a girl me not have no chop. The only chop when me supposed to have a bleaching cream when the blood clot chop me up and me tattoo them off. You have wormhole for your foot. You have cigarette dust for your blood clot foot. And I mean I want to argue with girl with her foot were worm and yam it out. Girl with her foot will look like blood clot cigarette, like a man see you and just butt a cigarette for your foot and left this big dirty hole. And me you want to come bo, me say I show me can't my internet now work good so. And then you say me enough size up with you, oh please, me really enough size up with you for true. Me really enough size up with you for true. What is a blood clot Khandy? You go like you're a good girl. And you keep on a blood clot comment on things to me and tell me about your book I'm busy. Your book I'm busy but still care. I'm tell you something. 100 US are how much money in Jamaica, guys? Guys, 100 US are how much money in Jamaica that? 100 US. At $20,000? Can't nobody now book you over 50,000. Let's be real with yourself. 15? Alright, I put it at 2 bills. Can't nobody now book you over 50,000. But don't even think you reach so far, baby. Calm down. Be real, calm down. Nobody now book you for $50,000 and over. Calm down. You look at 30K where you get and 20K where you get. I don't even use TikTok for some make that pan TikTok. I make that pan my blood clot side also in less than 20 minutes. Calm down. You don't reach nowhere yet and you hype about your work. What you tell me about your work for? Your book are you busy. What that have a blood clot do with me? Now you trouble me. When I talk about the girl post, me never there for comment. But if me did post and tag she and she comment, it is a you see me just can never understand. Me can never understand. And girl can't come for my mother. My mother a decent mother. I'm tell her that. You see, my mama a decent mama. Everything about me a decent girl for you can. Them pick the decent mother for you look a rock bad pitney. My mother a nice clean girl for fear dirty mama. My mother a nice clean girl for dirty mama like fear. You see the difference with my mother and your mother? My mother when me a 30. My mother gonna make me understand myself. My mother are gonna make me know say as she are the mother and not blood clot me. You will never see my mother indulge in a be a madness on the internet with me. My mother nice clean big woman. And true my mother not do them thing there. You know I go say my mother not like me. Make the internet say what them want. So my mother nice clean girl for fear dirty mama. I can't even cuss a BBC around my mother. I can't even cuss a BBC around my mother. You think I can't depend live and I talk about mommy? Mom, una have it for say a band that is no blood clot band, that is carelessness. Mother and blood clot daughter for know themselves. And if you have respect for your mother. You think I could have depend live and down pan? Mommy! And I call my mother. Hey boy, excuse me, my face. And I call my mother. And when she come and ask me what, that boy I say my pum big, cuss him for me. Girl, my mother not careless like for no dirty blood clot, my mother. My mother good smart. You can't get my mother indulging in them madness there. My mother nice, clean, respectable big woman. You must saw my mother cuss me and run me away from front of her. You realize my mother not show up her face? My mother make me know that the internet is your lifestyle. The things you do on the internet, that is not my lifestyle. So I'm not going to be a part of that. Your mother just because it need money. The root is evil. Money is the fucking root of all evil for true. Because true it need money. For no mama put up to any slackness. For no mama put up to any slackness. So that's why she can show off your face on the internet with any slackness where you are keep up. Me see with all big dirty icky on your neck in front of your mother. Then again, a lot of people that say, you're a big woman, you can do what you want, but respect still blood clot due. Respect still due. Me afraid to talk to my mother. So mommy, you know something I got fuck last night. I could never do that. Never. The respect when me after my mother, I could have never blood clot tell my mother say me evil kiss a boy. When my mother tell me something she sit on the internet, when me just hang her up and tell her so the internet crack and call her back later in the day when me have other story if you can tell her so it change the argument. And I see you with big dirty icky big dirty brawling icky on your neck. So when your mother said that the first thing come to fear man, she know you go eh? And then you want to talk about my mother, girl, you can't never talk about my mother. My mother a class girl. My mother no deal with the slackness. My mother not for come on TikTok and show her face and beg and all them something. My mother not do that. My mother is well taken care. My mother have 5 girl pitney. And out of 5 of them, and me are the baddest one. Me are the last one. My 3 sisters them are foreigner managers. Managers. Nice clean girl. Them not have no pat pan them skin. Them not have no worm hole pan them skin. And nice clean people them there. Khandy, the picture you take 1 day ago. The only thing I can say about me, my calf tough and around my head side black. I'm a post a video and imagine me see 100 and odd people say them head side black to because of blood clot, a wig. Where you can't cuss me about. Me not have no up on my face, no, everything, no makeup, no. This is real me with my dark face. This a picture with you we take 1 day ago. But you wanna you take it, you could get for edit it or the boy take it. Khandy, you stay a good girl in a real life? Which part you a real girl? Well smooth off, me nah no smooth. Yeah, look good girl? Yeah, look good girl? Which part you look good girl Khandy? Where? And you have enough to walk in your shoes. Where? Look under your armpit there so. My girl, do this armpit you no wash for a month. A God alone can come tell me. Khandy, me can't see the dirt through your skin. This a picture you take 1 day ago. Me can't see the dirt in the girl's skin. Look and right yourself. My girl, you want a blood clot hose. I mean, I talk about normal hose. Me I talk about them power wax hose. When you spray it all, chop up your skin. You need all the hose for take off them dirt off of your skin. And look for your hand. All right, moving along. Look on the girl foot. We say me not to compete with her. A who but cigarette in a Khandy calf them. Khandy, who but cigarette by your foot? Who but cigarette by your foot? Or what kind of wormhole this in your foot? What kind of ants nest this? What kind of ants nest this? What kind of wormhole this? What kind of cigarette butt in this by your foot? Me really can't walk in your shoes. Yeah. Look pa you. A dirty, a little too dirty, or a bleaching it want? A dirty, a little too dirty, or a bleaching you want? You want me send down little gel from foreign car look like Jamaican gel them now work. A dirty, your foot dirty? Stop it. Or a bleaching cream you want? With your immature toe them. Your toe them will look like them not grow yet. Your immature toe them. Your ginger toe them. You never buy ginger road? Leave it. You never buy ginger road? And then pop off piece of ginger gear. Tell them say you want one peg of ginger. With your ginger foot them. Your 6 different color. You talk about every man of foreign. Once them say in chang chang me take them. But it look like once you hear about different state check Khandy. Khandy foot them have different states of colors. Your foot them I'm in a care nobody wants to see a bleaching. When girl bleach, girl for clean and look good. When girl a bleach, girl for bleach and look good. Missing enough girl a bleach and no look so. Especially a girl who is a entertainer, we are artist, we are perform. Your body not feel look so. Me know why you live under the filter. Cause yesterday you argue with me and the filter just your face just a fade away. Your face just a fade away. Your face just a fade away from the live. Take off the filter and make we see. Make we see under you. Make we see under your real skin Khandy. Take off the filter will make you look like you're white or you're dough white. Me don't know you look like you use some jaded bleaching cream in the car. Jaded in my I'm a bleaching cream nowadays. Cause when me there Jamaica bleach, my skin look good enough. I just threw my bleach till me. But when me there Jamaica bleach, me look good enough, girl. My bleaching look good enough, girl. I don't know a young girl there Jamaica wanna look cranny. If I saw a Jamaica bleach, me look good enough, girl. My bleaching look good enough, girl. I don't know a young girl there Jamaica wanna look cranny. If I saw a Jamaica bleach, me look good in a girl. Bleaching look good in a girl. I don't know a young girl there Jamaica wanna look cranny. If I saw a Jamaica bleach, me look good in a girl. Bleaching look good in a girl. I don't know a young girl there Jamaica wanna look cranny.